Okay, that looks better. Got the 3 turtles right here. I'm gonna take them out. And y'all saw from the last video, scary. Where's the gangster at? What's up? He the tough one. Oh, he being scary too. What you scared of? Alright, finna take these turtles out and go see what Cuddles does in here. She probably not gonna like it. Alright, y'all. Let me go in here. Let me get my girl Cuddles out. Yeah, y'all know who this is. My baby. Say what's up to the folks. All the people in the world. Alrighty. So here's Cuddles, the carpet python I was just telling y'all. We're gonna just see, just like the Tegus, what she does. But you gonna see from over there. Yeah. You gonna see from over there. Yeah. Alrighty. Oh. 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 Oh, maybe she will. I missed it. She dived right in, y'all. I put her up here. That's cool as hell. What's up, girl? You're so beautiful. Oh, don't climb out over there. If you're gonna climb out this way. What do you think of the water? You had a good swim? Yeah. Oh, the turtle is escaping. Of course, it will be Gus. All right, man, you better chill out. Isn't that cool? Should I put it in the water? Mm-hmm. All right, hold this for me. Yeah. Oh, I think she likes it. Oh, oh. Yeah, she doesn't like it. All right. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, she's huge. Oh. All right, I think she wants to come out. You done with the water, girl? Oh, look at how long Cuddles actually is, y'all. Are you done with the water yet or no? If you're going over there, I'm gonna just pull you out.
What's your boundary?
All right, y'all, so let me fix this. Cuddles was a really good sport. She did pretty good. She looked cool. Oh, my bad. She looked cool in the tank. But now I'm gonna cut her heat light on so she warms up a little bit. And yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.